Dive into ERP Engonus, your key to managing brands effectively. Start by creating an initial brand like own brand or your company's name. This wildcard brand comes in handy for products without a defined brand. Access this function through the left side menu, under Settings and then Brand. View, edit, or delete from your list of brands, or if you're starting fresh, create your first brand. Remember, each product needs an assigned brand upon registration. Add a new brand or import multiple brands with a simple file upload. Fine-tune your brand management with the drop-down menu on the right. ERP Engonus, your brand, your rules.